3.2 is direct variation, which means y equals kx. So if I was given the equation as 5y is equal to 6x, okay? Direct variation means I have to get it as y equals kx. K is our number, y and x stay the same, okay? So if we're solving for y, I have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I'm going to divide by 5, divide by 5. My 5's cancel, we're turned into a 1, which becomes y equals, and then I go to my fraction. Well, my fraction cannot be simplified, so I'm going to leave that the same. So I'm going to write 6 over 5x. So is it a direct variation? The answer is yes. Yes, because it ended up as y equals kx. I am now going to show you an example that is not a direct variation. So I have 5x plus 2y is equal to 6. So now I'm going to solve for y. Well, the y is not by itself. Here, it also has the 5x. So we have to move the 5x to the other side. So the first step is to move the x if the x is on the left side. How do we do that? Well, the opposite of positive 5x is negative 5x. So I subtract the negative 5x to this side. These cancel. What do I have left? Well, the 2y drops down. When I get to the other side, I have to be careful because I have 6 minus 5x. Can we put these together? The answer is no. These are not like terms. So how do I know which one to write first? Well, we are going to write the one with the x first. So negative 5x, and since the 6 doesn't have a sign, we put plus 6. Next step is to get rid of the number in front of y. How do we do that? Well, again, the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by 2. Well, I have to divide by 2 on this side. Well, I have to do it on this side. But we have to be careful. We have to make sure that we divide by 2 on both of them, not just one of them. So the 2's become a 1, which we've told before is that we don't keep the 1 in front of y. It is an invisible 1. So we write y equals, again, 2 does not go into negative 5, so we're just going to leave it as negative 5 over 2x plus, then we divide the 2 into the 6 and get 3. So I get y equals kx, and then I have a plus 3. We cannot have the plus 3, so my answer is no. So what I want you to work on today is 3.2, 1 through 6. We will be working tomorrow on the direct variation by plugging the numbers in for y and x and solving for k. So today's exercise is 1 through 6 on 3.2. Please try them either in a journal or try to download them or copy it using Cami, which one of the students has told me that they were able to copy it and then write on the actual worksheet itself. So please try your best to either try to copy it using Cami or just write it down on a piece of paper. You will have a quiz like this on the first few sections, and you will have to answer them and give them to me via email or on a worksheet. So please try your best to continue to work at home, and good luck.